namin. Tapos bakit sa level nyo lang walang information sa akin?
Yung designation.
Parang ano lang eh. Sino yung nag-decide niya? Anyway, organization yan, internal. Pero ang point ko lang as a matter of principle and policy, dapat formally aware ang regional government. Kasi wala naman sa level nyo yan. Pero ako bakit kayo biglang na-shock lang ako. Kaya nahanap ko si Badin back. Meron na palang changes, tapos hindi namin ano.
Nag-OIC po tayo.
Wala akong problema doon. Pero ang point, walang information. Even yung paglagay dapat sa atin. Ano lang, para, kasi kung sumay correct yung sistema. Nag-designate kayo kailan?
Bago lang po, sir. Kasi hindi ko makapagsagot yung
Hindi, wala nga akong problema doon.
January lang po, sir. January lang.
Kasi hindi nga kayo nag-inform.
First week po.
Ayusin yung organization yung
Okay, sir, to proceed po, ang current workforce po ng DSWT ay 1,880 regular and mobile workers. Aside from regular program, sir, meron din po tayong special projects like Pantawid Pamilya or the CCT, the SLP, the Pamana, the BUB, Convergence Program SIRS and MAPS, supplementary feeding, social pension, and reintegration and recovery program for trafficking in person. So ito po yung ating physical accomplishment by Major Kayati. Unduplicated po yan counting natin with our beneficiary. We covered, actually with our regular program, sir, we covered around 2,184 barangays or communities as against doon sa plano natin to cover only 2,181. So for the family, we targeted 35,800 to be covered, but sa actual implementation, we covered 60,823. For the solo parent, sir, we targeted 12,530 in total, but we covered 8,387 lang for the solo parent. And for the family head and other needy adults, we targeted 23,270. At ang actual po na na-cover natin ay 52,436. Family members po, sir, that we covered, children with 0 to 12 years old. Ang total po ay, ang target natin ay 85,920, but we covered or reached the 122,715 children na may edad na 0 to 12 years old. And for the youth, we were able to cover yung youths 13 to 24 years old. We were able to cover 25,494 as against doon sa ating target or plan to cover 32,203. And yung ano po, sir, women 18 to 59 years old, ang na-reach po natin ay 31,030 as against 64,440. And for the differently abled person, we were able to reach or cover the 10,399 as against dun sa plan natin na 10,740. And then for the older persons, yung plano po is only 21,480, but we were able to reach 53,447 older persons. And for the victims of disaster, ang actual na plan lang natin for 2015 is 78,824, but sa actual implementation ay 87,726. So yan po yung ating physical accomplishment by major client team.
Ano to? Anong program? Lahat na?
Yes, sir. Convergence po, sir,
Convergence ng ano?
ng different programs ng regular and ng
Meron kayong ano dito? Segregation by program, by beneficiary.
Meron po, sir. Sa succeeding slides, meron po tayong presentation ng per program. Sir, for the information of the panel, for the family and community welfare, sir, ito po yung ating detailed information. Actual na na-target po natin ay 60,823, but only targeted 35,800. Pero yung actual po natin na na-deliver or na-reach ay 60,823 families. So meaning to say po, sir, we reached the 169%. Ang detail po, sir, for the family, yung actual ay 52,436. At yung plan lang po ay 23,207. Meaning we have, we were able to reach the 225% for an increase of 29,166 families.
Anong page yan dito sa record? Walang page. Iba prinisend nyo, ibang binigay nyo sa akin.
Actually, sir, nandito po yan sa narrative. Narrative po.
Narrative.
Yes, sir. Ginawa lang po namin ganito yung presentation para to shorten at hindi siya narrative
Anong component ng family welfare? Anong klaseng program?
our specialist.
Anong activities, halimbawa?
Good morning, sir. Assalamualaikum. So, ang Family and Community Welfare Program isa po sa 5 category ng DSWD regular programs. At ito po ay binubuo ng yung family heads, yung couple, and sole parent kasama po dyan, sir, and other needy adults.
Hindi.
So, yes,
Ang tanong ko, anong klase?
Anong
Anong activities with
sa mga activities natin, sir, ay meron tayong family development service or family development session. So meron tayong enhanced parent effectiveness service. So at saka meron tayong ERPAC, empowerment and reinformation of maternal activities, exclusive for father and organization tayo para sa mga tatay lang.
So,
Para sa
activities na to more on session with family.
yes, sir.
Ano to, in-integrate sa ibang program pag nagsa-session?
Yes, sir.
Or may sariling,
May sariling module, sir.
hindi kaya na, may sariling activity siya.
Yes, sir.
Talagang ang intention nyo mag-session lang with that. Anong pinaka-purpose na?
Ang pinaka-purpose, sir, para maturuan yung mga families and other needy adults na malaman nila yung role nila sa pamilya nila, paano nila i-deal yung mga anak nila, marami no, MTS, parang role, husband-wife relationships are merong pre-marriage counseling, would be married couple, kailangan din natin yun para matuto sila kung ano yung dapat ginagay kung halimbawa mag-asawa na sila. Kasama din po yun, sir. Sa role responsibility, sir. Kaya, tapos session kung ano yung gagawin nila sa household, so kasama rin po doon. Paano nila i-deal ang kanilang husband, para maghaba yung relationship nila, ma-organize ang kanilang family, household. Yes, household. Dapat, pinupuntahan, parang meron tayo, kinikase to be managed, sir. Dapat. Tapos meron ba exclusive for the father kasi napafound out namin, sir, na yung tatay hindi umattend ng parent effectiveness service. Kaya binigyan sila ng exclusive training para lang sa kanila. Ayun yan pa.
Yan yung tanong ko.
So, yung... Okay, sir.
Hindi, ang tanong ko kasi kung magkaiba kasi yung targets lang eh. Isipin nyo ang targets nyo is 35,000. Tapos ang accomplishment nyo is 60,000. Kaya gusto kong itanong, kung itong 60,000 ay efforts ng program or may ibang programs tapos sumakay yung programs. Kasi magkaiba yun eh. Kumbaga, pag sa planning period mo, kasi program siya eh,
Yes,
na
sir.
hindi naman siya naka-integrate sa isang malaking program. Kaya magkaiba yun, kasi iba ang sakay, iba yung efforts. Diba? Kasi pwede ka, ba, merong displacements. Pumunta ka, mag-activity ka. So you are taking the opportunity to implement your activity rather than to have your own plan and activities. Kaya yun yung gusto kong tanungin doon, kung meron tayong categorization. Kasi ako kasi mas conscious ako sa plano na proactive kesa magre-react ka sa isang condition or sa isang situation. Di ba magkaiba yun? So yun yung gusto kong malaman. Kaya nag-exceed ba ang target dahil ito ang target or nag-exceed yung target kasi merong special condition tapos sinakyan mo yung program. Magkaiba yun. So kung gano'n, hindi siya quality, hindi proactive yung result. Kaya yun yung gusto kong malaman mula sa program.
So,
Nag-get na bang tanong ko?
yes, sir.
Kasi kami nangyayari din yan eh. Nangyayari yan na parang ako kasi gusto ko